Assalamu alaikum. I hope you're doing great. Welcome to the last lesson of our module number 5, in which we'll be learning the difference between put and keep. So, the core difference between the two is here is an easy trick, okay? Put means to place something. Now, to place something is one time action. कि हम वो जो चीज़ किसी फॉर एग्जांपल टेबल पे मैं रख रही हूँ, तो आई एम पुटिंग दैट थिंग ऑन द टेबल एंड इट्स अ वन टाइम एक्शन. Keep is the continue or maintain something. It's like you have to keep doing this. It means कि आपको ये चीज़ maintain रखनी है, आपको ये चीज़ continue रखनी है, तो ये एक continue action होता है. For example, put the book on the table. It's an action and it's a one time action. You only put the book on the table one time, right? The second one is keep the book on the table. Means you have to leave it there. मतलब वो एक continued action होगा, उस book की जगह ही वहीं पे है, and it is supposed to be there for a longer time. Okay, now let's understand the use of put. First of all, the meaning is to place something somewhere, और इसका structure क्या होगा? Put plus object plus place. For example, put your bag on the chair. She put the keys in her pocket. He put the phone on the table. I put the book in my bag. अब ये सारे जो भी एक्शंस हैं, शी पुट द कीज़ इन हर पॉकेट, वो कीज़ पॉकेट में भी कुछ टाइम के लिए हैं, राइट? वो फ़ोन जो है वो टेबल पे कुछ टाइम के लिए है. you're eventually going to pick up that phone, right? And you're eventually going to pick up the book from your bag and start reading it. So it is not supposed to be there for a longer time, but for a shorter time. Now let's understand the use of keep, and which means to continue having or doing something. इसका structure क्या होगा? Keep plus object plus place or state. For example, keep your phone in your bag means phone is supposed to be in your bag for a longer time. Keep the door closed. Keep your room clean. Keep the lights on. अब ये चीज़ें जो हैं, ये आपको longer time तक ये चीज़ें रखनी होती हैं. Means there are kind of the unsaid rules of your life as well, of your daily life, that you have to keep your room clean all the time, right? Keep the money safe, keep your hands steady, keep the baby warm. So ऐसी कुछ advices होती हैं जो हम keep के ज़रिए भी दे सकते हैं. So what are the key differences? Put means one time action and we have to move something in it for a shorter time, short action, okay? Meanwhile, the keep means continuous state में वो चीज़ होती है and we have to leave it there and it's an ongoing condition. I hope the difference is clear now. Let's compare both. For example, put the glass on the table and keep the glass on the table. Now put the glass on the table is for short time. ठीक है, मैं आपको ऐसे ही बोल रही हूँ. Just put the glass on the table means you have to just put that on the table for a shorter time. But when I say keep the glass on the table means it was there and you have to keep the glass on the table now, which will remain there, right? Same goes with your with this example. Put your phone away means you have to put your phone away for a short time and then you can take it, for example after class or anything. Second example is keep your phone silent. It means you have to keep your phone silent for a longer time. Okay, now let's understand the common expressions with put and with keep. कुछ ऐसे common expressions होते हैं जो हम अपनी daily life में use करते हैं और उनमें हम put and keep का use करते हैं. जैसे put on clothes means कपड़े पहनना, put away things means चीज़ों को दूर रखना, put down the phone means फ़ोन को नीचे रखना, put off a meeting means meeting को cancel करना. So these are the expressions which, if you use these expressions in your language, that makes you sound very advanced, right? For example, put on your jacket and put away your toys. Let's come towards the keep expressions. Keep going, keep trying, keep calm, keep quiet. So ऐसे कुछ expressions आपने भी ज़रूर सुने होंगे. For example, keep going, don't stop, keep calm and relax. So these were the common expressions which you should use. and which are ultimately very much used in your daily life conversations. Coming towards the homework of this lesson, fill in the blanks. I have given you 5 blanks and you have to either write put or keep. That's up to you. And I hope यहाँ तक हमने अभी जो भी पढ़ा है, it's very much clear to you and these blanks will be really easy for you. So all the best for that. On that note, we have come to the end of module number 5, which was prepositions, conjunctions, and connectors. So you have now covered prepositions, preposition patterns, for, since, from, until, unless, till, conjunctions, advanced sentence building, neither, either, both, and lastly put versus keep, which we just studied now. Now, I know what you must be thinking. These are very basic English language components, right? बट इन सबको पढ़ने के बाद आई एम श्योर आपकी जो लैंग्वेज की एडवांसमेंट हुई होगी, आपकी जो लैंग्वेज की इन्हांसमेंट हुई होगी, दैट इज़ ऑन अनदर प्लेस. सो आई रियली होप ये जो भी आपने लेसन्स पढ़े वो आपके लिए बिल्कुल इंफॉर्मेटिव थे. यू studied properly and you have understood everything very clearly. Thank you very much. I will see you in the module number 6, in which we're going to study a lot of more exciting things and, of course, a lot of things that will help you to get that fluency in your English language. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye.